Welcome, it's Dancing Day Whitehall, and today we're going to be cleaning our washer.
Now this demo is for a Samsung top-loading high-efficiency washer. It has a clean cycle, but your washer may have something similar no matter which brand you have. Now if you notice that you're washing your clothes and they don't come out near as fresh as you thought they should be, this is for you. Now we are using bleach, and follow your manufacturer's instructions. We're going to give you the Samsung instructions here in a second, step by step. But the reason we're using bleach is we noticed that we were having some mold and mildew around the ring on the inside of the tub that we just showed you. So we're going to go ahead and take the extra step. Now all you do from there is hit that wash cycle and hit start. So these are your step-by-step instructions. Now for the majority, they say you can run this clean cycle without the extra chlorine step. However, if you do add chlorine, make sure you read the cautions. Also, make sure that you use the soap area, not the bleach area. Then take an added step afterwards, as it says here, just to be careful so your clothes, if there's any residual bleach inside the tub, your clothes don't get marked or bleach stained. So when we went to open up, we actually noticed there was a bit of water in here. We were planning on doing the rinse and spin cycle anyways, so we went ahead and did that. So I don't know if anybody knows in the comments below why this would have standing water after doing this process. Let us know. But we went ahead and hit the rinse and spin, and I can attest to you, after doing this all the way through with the bleach and the extra rinse and spin, the next load came out smelling much fresher. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you the DIYs that'll help you in your everyday.